Stay healthy, say no to drugs. Good morning, everyone. Firstly, introducing myself would definitely start from my name. Myself, Bhagyeshri Barua of BCom 4th semester, is here today to deliver a short speech through the virtual mode of communication on the topic drugs, a silent killer. Well, frankly speaking, we all know what actually is drugs and how it has been affecting many people, many youths as well as students in the present day scenario. Drugs, which is totally an illegal matter, is consumed by many youths as well as children today just to have fun or to have any sorts of unfair expectation. But poor students, they fails to understand the harsh and the harmful effect of drugs that it has been depleting their life since the day they have started taking it. Secondly, the sellers. The sellers who sell these drugs, they mainly targets the students and the youths so that they could get involved in this business and they could earn a heavy profit out of this. Initially, the seller sells it at a very minimum or at free of cost to those youths and the children or the students. But gradually, once those youths or the children get addicted to it, they sell it at an extremely high price. However, the children or the youths also, they fails to understand this trick and they tries to purchase it or consume it regardless of this price. The students, they waste a huge amount of money for purchasing it and later on they try to earn money in an illegal manner just to consume these drugs. Generally, these sellers are the one who are trying to create a chain of network and they gradually keep focusing on these youths and the students. Coming to the main point, the harmful and the harsh effect of drugs in one's life. Firstly, there are many ways through which these drugs have been affecting their lives, the one who consumes it. But noticeably, emotional effects like depression, stress, peer pressure, mood swings, etc. are some of the emotional effects drugs is creating in a person's life. Physical effects are like respiratory problems, lungs cancer, breathing problems, mental traumas, and in fact lack of or depleting immune system are some of the physical effects which is seen in a drug addicted person. Nevertheless, drugs addiction is very dangerous in one's life and in fact it can lead to one's death at a certain point of time. However, there are also various ways and various methods nowadays to get rid of this ill habit. Proper medication, proper counseling, therapists, and in fact nowadays there is a proper rehabilitation center or we can call rehab centers where the authorities ensures that this drug addicted person will never retake those drugs in their lives. In Assam, one of the famous rehab center is in Margherita. Here the authorities take proper measures to look after those drug addicted person and ensures that those person would never ever retake these drugs. Lastly, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that we are the future generation of our society. We must therefore take necessary steps to ensure our society free from drugs and we must say no to drugs. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.